Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about food and diet, and this is the last part of video. Last part 3, food and diet. Topic is this vocabulary is for English learner in general and in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students. So as you know, please subscribe for more updates and follow the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Like and comment and subscribe to encourage me, share to help your friends, and subscribe and press the bell icon for more video courses on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. So as you know, I have covered more than 27 topics in my course, and nowadays we are at topic food and diet. We're in this order, food and diet. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description. So the next word is exotic food or exotic meal. This is a food that is delicious and unusual because it comes from far away place. Collocations we can use as exotic flowers, exotic food or exotic designs. Many tourists only travel to faraway destinations to taste a variety of exotic food. Look at destination, faraway destination. It's a very good vocabulary to taste a variety of, instead of only to taste exotic food, to taste a variety of exotic food. The restaurant is renowned for it's famous. Instead of saying famous, famous, famous again and again, and you are speaking, instead you can use the restaurant is renowned for its exotic food, or word renowned you can also use. Fussy. Fussy is an adjective, someone who has high standards of food and is difficult to please in terms of food. Collocations we can use fussy eater. Fussy eater. My younger son is a fussy eater. I used to be a fussy eater in my childhood, but now I eat like a horse. But now I can eat everything. I don't care about variety or quality. Okay. Homemade food is a food that is made at home, of course. Wine and dine is a phrase mean and entertainment that includes food. When you go out with your friends, wine and with family or friends, to wine and dine, to eat and also to entertain yourself. Spoil appetite, it is used as a verb. Spoil appetite, to eat something that will stop you feeling hungry and make you skip the next meal when it is meal time. If you eat between your meals, it can spoil your appetite. It can be, this is vocabulary especially for your speaking. Quality justifies the bill. Quality justifies the bill. This is an expression, something like idiom expression, which mean when food is worth the money. Food cost a lot, but it is tasty. So quality, its quality justifies the bill. I have never regretted dining in the Indian restaurant as its quality justifies the bill. Packaged foods are pre-packaged food. You can say packaged foods or pre-packaged food. Okay. Other word is very important, starving hungry. I'm extremely hungry. When you are talking about food and diet, and especially in your speaking, you can use these words: starving hungry, quality justify the bill, fussy eater, all of these. Staple food. Staple food is a food that is basic and important in someone's personal life, as a personal life, or as a group of people, or as eaten routinely, or in a country, or in an area, or for a individual person also. Rice is the staple food of Canadians. Rice is the staple food of Canadians. Staple food mean the routine food they what that they eat. Prices of staple foods such as vegetables and wheat have increased. Prices, if you use prices, have increased significantly since 2018. Staple food. Fat. Fat is a noun. It means a substance found in meat. You know what is fat? Oh? In meat or cheese or in butter that form an energy store in our body. Oh, fat also mean someone who is overweight also mean fat. Okay, but here it is as a type of food, fat type of substance. Red meats are rich in fat, so we should only eat small quantities to avoid future health issues. Okay, we should eat less amount of fat as possible because it is dangerous. Carbohydrate, this is a substance that is part of our food, found in mostly in rice, potatoes, wheat, in the form of starch or sugar. It is carbohydrate. It is one of the basic three types: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. So our food that has three components: protein, carbohydrate, and fats. Next is protein. As I told, is one also one of the components. One of the main components of a food, such as fish, cheese, eggs. This contain protein. Meat and fish are vital source of protein. And the next word is vegetarian. You can also say vegan, vegan, vegetarian. This is a noun. These are synonyms, uh, uh, and you can use it as a. These are nouns, and it means a person who doesn't eat meat or fish. He only eats vegetables. He don't eat meat or fish. Adjective is vegetarian food, vegetarian diet, vegetarian food. Okay. So, for example, vegans get their protein from cereals. Vegans or vegetarians, people who eat vegetables, vegetarians get their proteins from cereals. Other is my younger son used to be a vegetarian. He was a vegetarian, but now he also loves eating red meat. He was a vegetarian, now eats red meat. So most of the times you are asked in your essays about some people are only dependent on vegetation on vegetables, or some people say that we should not eat animals and we should only eat vegetables. Do you agree or disagree? So you can use these collocations and these words. Processed food. Processed food is a food. This is mostly it is used in plural form. Processed foods mostly. Processed foods are foods that are prepared by special method to preserve them for a long period of time to add extra taste in processed food. Mostly you will be you will see in your reading part of general training if you are general training GT students, and you can use it in your writing processed food also. So processed foods are usually high in salt and sugar, and most of its ingredients are genetically modified. Most of its ingredients are genetically modified. And the next is eating disorder. Eating disorder is this is a disease of eating. This is a mental illness of eating too much or too little. Too much or too little eating disease. Anorexia. Anorexia is this is a eating disorder. Anorexia is an illness when someone eats too little. Someone eats too little. Anorexia is less, eating less. And bulimia is opposite. It means it is an illness with uncontrolled eating. Uncontrolled eating. This is bulimia. Recipe is a guide of instructions telling us how to prepare and how to cook food by following them. Recipe is a guide with instructions telling how to prepare and cook food by following these instructions. To prepare Italian food, just follow these recipes. This is a sentence. My mom enjoys trying out new recipes. She enjoys trying out or using trying out new recipes. Genetically modified food is a food that contains ingredients made from genetically modified plants and animals. Stop supermarkets are to ban many genetically modified foods. The government banned many genetically modified foods that cause that caused many cases of food poisoning. Calorie is a noun. It is a unit of energy to measure the amount of energy provided by different foods. Calorie is singular. Its plural form is calories. A low calorie diet, a high calorie diet, a low calorie drink or diet. An apple contains about 70 calories as a unit. I walk at least 1 kilometer daily to run my calories. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment to encourage me that so you can receive more videos. Thank you very much.